the day before, here's me going back home after work in Singapore. My dad came to pick me up. That night I took a bus to TBS and stayed the night at my mama's house. The next morning was travel day to Indonesia. Early in the morning, my mama dropped me off at KLIA, went through check-in, immigration and walked over to the gate. And yeah, in flight, got a window seat as wished. Quick little story on why I'm going. There's a training session for Tamil teachers in Indonesia, and my lecturer Dr. Selvajothi invited me to give a talk sharing my Tamil linguistics journey there. This was actually my very first time travelling overseas completely alone. In about an hour, landed at Kuala Namu airport and got a grab straight to Edu Prime School. Reached the event and delivered my speech.
இன்னும் பண்டிகை ஜெயங்களை அனைத்தும் நான் இருக்கிறதே தமிழ் மொழி, ஆங்கில மொழி, மலையாள மொழி, இந்த 3 மொழிகளும் வந்துட்டு மொழிபெயர்ப்பாளராக எழுதினேன். அதோட வடிவம், அதோட நம்ம கேட்கிற மக்கள் எல்லாமே மாறிடுவாங்க.
The main speaker and organizer spoke too, followed by the certificate presentation and photos with all the participants. And then we had lunch, wrapped up and then headed over to the hotel. Took a quick video of this hotel room and also my appreciation gifts to show my family, and then I took a quick nap. Here's me drinking a cup of coffee because I woke up with a pretty bad migraine, hoping it would cover it up. Not gonna lie, it helped enough so my professor and I could head up to the nearby temple. It was such a unique experience seeing people speak Bahasa at the temple, and even the signboards were written in Bahasa. After that we had dinner and headed back to sleep. The next morning had hotel breakfast. The cheesy spaghetti was so good. Took a stroll around to film some quiet montages of the hotel lobby. Then got ready, checked out and headed back to the airport. Browsed duty free for a few snacks while waiting. Up in the air, heading back home. This trip was such a great exposure and an awesome experience. That's all for this vlog. See you guys in the next video, and also don't forget to like my video, share my video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye.